Managing a development site is a different task. Managing raising capital for your developments and properties and projects is a different challenge. But in this video, we're going to explore the challenge of running it as a company, managing the accounts of the company. Having an accountant, a property development accountant is vital for your success. So in this video, we're going to discuss about the accountant. So stay tuned, watch till the end. So welcome to Project Possible. This is Jitto David, and today's topic is the role of an accountant in the property business. Now I'm going to cover five key roles or key important points when it comes to property development accountant. The first thing what you need to look out is you're going to an accountant who is actually a property investor. He's doing developments, or he's at least investing into property or holding a portfolio of property. Because when it comes to property, the accountant has to know quite a wide range of information and how the tax system works, how the account system works when it comes to property. So the first thing you have to look out when you're reaching out to an accountant is that accountant a professional who's investing into properties? Is an investor or a developer who understands the property as a sector. So it's very important to look out for that particular accountant. The second thing is get your accountant involved into your property business from day one. So once the company is set up, what kind of capital you're going to raise, how you're going to raise, what are the documentation required, writing a business plan, having a 3 years projection of your business, what kind of activities you're going to do. Sit down with the accountant, run through everything, and then the accountant will give you an insight of the challenges what you can face, and like how he can help, or he or she can help you to become successful as a company. How the balance sheet will look like, what the lenders will look for, how in long run what all things you can do from the day one which will benefit you in long run. So it is very important that you don't leave your accountant till the end. You start working with the accountant from day one, and that will help you massively in terms of saving taxes, in terms of like finding efficient way of running your accounts and the business. So it's very important not leave it for the last day of your accounts. You work with the accountant from day one of your company. So as you're enjoying this video, do click on the like button and also share with your family and friends and people who will benefit from this video. As we go into the third reason, or the third top tip when it comes to the accountants, it's very important that you the way you structure the company, you discuss with the accountant, how you kind of set the shares for the company, or is it a special purpose vehicle you are setting up. It's very important that you discuss the structure of the company. Now when you're doing property, multiple deals or multiple sites or constructions, or you're doing multiple joint ventures, it is very important that you sit down with the accountant and understand how you want to structure this entire holdings, that from a tax efficient way, the provisions what is there, and at what stage you can exit these companies or sell these companies, and how efficiently you can do that. So it's very important that you discuss the structure of the company with the accountant. The fourth tip when it comes to working with the accountant is be proactive. Don't expect for your accountant to reach out to you. You have to reach out to your accountant. Be proactive. So you can send your monthly bank statement to them, discuss the bank statement, what kind of expenditures are on the bank statement. Now, one of the advantage of running your own company is you can pay yourself first and then rest of the things. What does that mean is that whatever expenditures you can place that on your account, like the right ones, the proper ones, and the accountant can help you, guide you within the provision of the books, what kind of expenditures can be covered under your company. So you are spending on you first. When you say you, means like your business activities and whatever you are involved in that business activity, and then you are paying for the rest. So the accountant is the one who can guide you on that. So you have to be proactive with the accountant. Don't leave that to the end of your accounts of that year. Now we are in the kind of 2022. So make sure you start working with the accountant on a monthly basis and understand what kind of expenditures are spending expenditures, and what will be considered as an income for your company, and if you work on that monthly, then as the time goes on, you are in much control of your company's income and expenditure. So very important factor: be proactive and work with the accountant. Don't wait for the accountants to reach out to you. So before we go into the fifth point, I like to invite you to subscribe this channel and also hit the bell button so you get the notification. We do video pretty much every day, Monday to Friday, evening 7 p.m. it's launched, so you will get all the content. And also, if you know an accountant or you work with an accountant who's a property investor and developer, put it in the comment section. So the people who are watching this, they can do their own kind of research, and if they want to hire them as their accountant, they can do that. We also have our own power team. We work with 2 accountants on our panel. They have a lot of experience. And they are based in London, central London. So if you want to know them and connect with them, we are more than happy to do that for you. So the fifth point is you need to make sure that you are trusting the accountant. You have make sure that you have taken the review, the feedback, that these accountants are best. You can trust them. You can share your businesses, and they will help you with the best practices when it comes to running a property business. There are a lot of things which can go wrong when it comes to accounts and managing the accounts, especially as your business scales. A lot of things can go wrong. So it's very important that there is a trust with your accountant. There's a relationship which is built, and there are you're asking questions which can be answered promptly by your accountant and his team. Making sure that everything is done on a timely way, a timely manner, and all the documents are well prepared, well done. So it's very important that you build that kind of professional relationship with the accountant, and you are going to a professional accountant who can give you this kind of services. So for property business, from day one, make sure you are working with a very professional accountant. So if you have enjoyed watching this video, that's the 5 top tips when it's working with the accountants. Make sure that you share with your family and friends. And also, we have our monthly live event where we will be inviting an accountant who will be coming and sharing the best practices, insights when it comes to property companies. And you will have an opportunity for a live Q&A session. So all the details are in description, and we'll see you at the live event. Until the next video, stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you.